all of you a very good afternoon. Hyderabad Traffic Police, City Police Vibhagam, City Police ఒక చాలా కీలకమైన విభాగం మీ అందరికీ తెలుసు. Hyderabad is a very growing city, one of the fastest growing city in the country. This is a destination for investment, for establishment of businesses, industries, as well as people from various parts of the country are trying to come to settle down in Hyderabad. Because of the peculiar environment, weather-wise, climate-wise, safety and security-wise, which Hyderabad provides, and we as police officers are very proud when people from across the country recognize Telangana Police and Hyderabad City Police as very best in rendering service to the people. Coming to Traffic Police, in such a growing situation, it is incumbent that traffic will increase on the roads. More number of people, purchasing power is increasing, more number of vehicles are coming on the road. There is definitely growing density of traffic movement, more number of people are coming out for job, going for businesses, etc., etc. In these circumstances, while acknowledging that traffic arrangement is an everyday challenge, our officers from morning 7 a.m. till night 11 p.m. in shifts, they continue traffic regulation across various junctions and various parts of the city. Other than regulation, as you know, traffic management includes, it involves 3 E's: education, engineering and enforcement. So coming to enforcement first, we have increased identifying traffic violators and booking more number of enforcement cases on them. This year so far we have booked 70 lakh plus enforcement cases for different kinds of violations. Helmet with driving without helmet kavachu, pillion rider not wearing helmet or seat belt, then with driving without license or driving in drunken condition or rakrakala inka total 70 lakh plus cases jarigindi. Danko special ga mana niga drunken driving మీద ఉంది. This year we have so far booked 25,500 plus cases of drunken driving. This is almost more than double jump from last year, recognizing that drunken driving is very dangerous to not only to the person who is drunk and is driving, but also to the co-passengers in his vehicle, be it a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler or any other vehicle, and it is equally threatening other passengers on the road. So మీ తరపున ప్రజలతో ఒకటి మనము అవగాహన ఏంటంటే డ్రంకెన్ మైకంలో డ్రైవింగ్ దయచేసి చేయకూడదు. ద పర్మిటెడ్ లిమిట్ ఈజ్ 30 mg per 100 ml. దానికంటే ఎక్కువ పరిస్థితిలో మీరు ఉంటే we will book case and produce you before magistrate for fine or jail. ఈ సంవత్సరము 206 people have been sentenced to jail also for drunken driving cases, and 25 driving license were also got suspended and cancelled. So MV Act లో ఇది కూడా ఒకటి సెక్షన్ ఉంది, డ్రంకెన్ మైకంలో డ్రైవింగ్ చేస్తే ఇంకా ఏదైనా రిపీట్ ట్రాఫిక్ వైలేషన్స్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళ డ్రైవింగ్ లైసెన్స్ కూడా క్యాన్సిల్ మనము చేయొచ్చు అని. Coming to traffic education, here in Hyderabad City Police we have 2 traffic training institutes, one in Goshamala Stadium campus and one in Begumpet, in which we train our traffic police, those who joined our traffic branch, they are trained. We also train our as refresher course our own officers again and again. అదే కాకుండా ట్రాఫిక్ వయలేటర్స్ కూడా మనం అక్కడ కూర్చోపెట్టి అక్కడ కౌన్సిలింగ్ ప్లస్ ట్రైనింగ్ ఇస్తున్నాం. ఈ సంవత్సరము 20,000 ప్లస్ డ్రంకెన్ డ్రైవర్స్కు మనము అక్కడ ట్రైనింగ్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది అబౌట్ వైసెస్ ఆఫ్ డ్రంకెన్ డ్రైవింగ్ అని. అట్లాగే 20,300 ప్లస్ పేరెంట్స్ అండ్ గార్జియన్స్ ఆఫ్ ట్రాఫిక్ వయలేటర్స్ కూడా మనము పిలిపించి అక్కడ కౌన్సిలింగ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. We have visited 139 educational institutions this year and counseled more than 25,000 students so far. We plan to increase this in the year 2022 depending on how the COVID situation is. Engineering lo road junctions improvement pani, signal improvement pani, and అట్లాంటివి విషయాలు we take up with GHMC and other stakeholders. ప్రస్తుతం కూడా ఒక మీటింగ్ జోనల్ కమిషనర్ GHMC తోటి మా పోలీస్ ఆఫీసర్ చేస్తున్నారు ఫర్ జంక్షన్ ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ అన్ ఆన్ గోయింగ్ ప్రాసెస్ అండ్ హియర్ I wish to share with all of you that I keep getting lot of requests from people through Twitter or through phones on our Twitter handle. We do look into it. Our DCP or ACP rank officers go to the spot. Many times even I go. We see what is possible. Some suggestions are always implementable. Some suggestions we are not able to implement, but at least suggestions are most welcome. I keep receiving 10 to 15 suggestions every day and we keep implementing that. We are very proud to say that we have this year provided 39 times green channel for ambulances transporting live organs from airport to various hospitals or from one hospital to another. And the average speed has been less than 1 minute, 1 kilometer for such ambulances. We have also provided green channel for oxygen tankers during the second wave of COVID. Some 50 tankers from Sanat Nagar railway station to various hospitals in the city were provided green channel. I take this opportunity through you to request the people of Hyderabad. Road is for you, and road safety, there is nothing like road safety. The road safety is for people who are traveling on the road. It is for you. So it is incumbent upon people. మన మీదే ఉంటుంది మన సేఫ్టీ. రోడ్ సేఫ్టీ కాదు, ఇది మన సేఫ్టీ గురించి ఉంది. అన్ని చట్టాలు అండ్ అన్ని ట్రాఫిక్ రెగ్యులేషన్స్. సో ప్లీజ్ అబ్జర్వ్ ట్రాఫిక్ రూల్స్. దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ వెరీ వెరీ స్మాల్ రూల్స్, అబ్జర్వేబుల్ రూల్స్, నాట్ వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్ టు ఇంప్లిమెంట్. డ్రైవింగ్, స్లో డ్రైవింగ్, లేన్ డ్రైవింగ్, సేఫ్ డ్రైవింగ్, హెల్మెట్ వేసుకొని అండ్ అన్ని సేఫ్టీ గేర్స్ వేసుకొని డ్రైవింగ్, నాట్ టు పుట్ ఎనీ ఫ్యాన్సీ నంబర్ ప్లేట్స్, not to put any fancy lights or any high volume speakers or horns. These are all very simple traffic rules and regulations which is first and foremost to ensure the safety of the driver of that vehicle and then also co-passengers of that vehicle and then of course then other people on the road. So through you we request the people of Hyderabad, we are here to help you reach your destination safely and quickly. In that, please, quickly means it does not include very fast. It has to be safe first and then in the quickest possible time with safety included. So please help us help you. We are there to help you 24/7, but we do require help of police because public, because the volume, large number people are on the road. Some 50 to 60 lakhs vehicles ply on the road every day. So we request through you to all the people to kindly help us by following traffic rules and regulations. Thank you.